doesn't have any problems. No problems. And this is the street pipe. This is the stirred up.
The appropriate training is way behind the curve. Tulsa is clearly not the only place this could help. By looking at the Tulsa videos, do you have any sense of
this is the front. And that's it.